Welcome. Today we are going to master the conditional probability formula. This is a fundamental concept in statistics that helps us understand how the probability of an event changes when we have new information. The formula states that the probability of a given B is equal to the probability of A and B divided by the probability of B. First, let's define it. Conditional probability is the likelihood of an event occurring given that another event B has already happened. Essentially, we are updating our prediction because we know something else is true. Here is the mathematical formula. P of a given B is the fraction you see here. The numerator is the joint probability, which is the probability of both events happening together. The denominator is the marginal probability of the condition, event B. Let's visualize the top part of the fraction. In a Venn diagram, this is the intersection. It represents the specific outcomes where both A and B overlap. This is the target area we are interested in. Now look at the bottom part, P of B. Since we know event B has happened, the rest of the universe doesn't matter anymore. Our entire focus shifts to the circle B. This green area becomes our new sample space. So, what does the division mean? We are simply asking a ratio question. How much of the area B is occupied by the intersection? We are dividing the purple overlap by the total green area of B. Let's apply this to a real example. Imagine rolling a six-sided die. Our condition, event B, is rolling an even number, 2, 4, or 6. Our target, event A, is rolling a number greater than 3. We want to find the probability of a given B. Step 1 is to calculate the denominator. Event B has 3 outcomes, 2, 4, and 6. Since there are 6 total sides on a die, the probability of B is 3 outcomes out of 6. Step 2 is to find the intersection. Which numbers are both greater than 3 and even? Looking at our sets, the numbers 4 and 6 fit both criteria. So, the intersection has 2 outcomes. The probability of A and B is 2 out of 6. Now we simply divide. We take 2/6 and divide it by 3/6. The 6's cancel out, leaving us with 2/3. This equals approximately 0.67 or 67%. To wrap up, remember that conditional probability is just a ratio. By dividing the joint probability by the condition's probability, we effectively shrink our universe to fit the condition. I hope this visualization helps you understand the formula intuitively.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.